What's up, guys? It's Hugh out here, chasing tropical storm Hermines. I bet you guys know about it, but I bet you ain't chasing it. So that's what I'm doing basically. I'm chasing a storm. I'm being huge, and that's what I'm doing. And that's the way it is. Like, we're just chasing storms, and honestly, I probably will save the next day. Like, I'll save today because no one else is brave enough to do this stuff. It's just me. So, like, yeah, like, the truth be told, I do have chest hairs, so, like, it's happening. I am, like, hitting puberty, so, like, it's cool, it's not a big deal, like, I'm not scared at all. Suckers. Bitches coming from me, trying to keep rapping about your girl, stop me. They sell parties, they sell parties, they sell parties. So like, people say that I'm kind of crazy for doing this, but honestly, like, this is what I'm into. I want to chase storms now, so I'm out here, and it's gonna be weird. So guys, we're out here, and we're about to chase some storms, and this is pretty intense stuff. So honestly, I'm kind of scared. So guys, we're out here, and there's a storm, and we weren't playing around. Don't go outside, and honestly stay indoors because it's kind of serious out here, but honestly, like, we're killing it. Hey, you know, tropical storm, Hermines, aunts, baby huge, bubble bass, times, aunts. I got floaties, I got floaties, I got floaties, I got floaties. I can rap, I can rap, I can rap, I can rap. You know, and here's. Yo, Mom's turning up the tunes! It's a party. Okay, oh my gosh, my glasses just fell off.